information on this at the moment, but the Reuters news agency are saying that an AirAsia flight travelling from Indonesia's Surabaya to Singapore has lost contact with air traffic control. That's coming to us via the Reuters news agency, and they're quoting an Indonesian news channel. So Surabaya in Indonesia itself, that's where the flight began, and it was on its way to Singapore. It's an AirAsia flight, and it has lost contact with air traffic control. That's the breaking news we've got at the moment. No more detail, but of course, as soon as we do get any other information, we'll bring that to you here first.